How to change call screen on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts. You can view all your contacts over here. Tap on any contact. You can view the contact details over here. Here, tap on Contact Photo and Poster. Here, swipe left and tap on Create New below. Then, choose your poster from the options below. For example, Photos. Select the photo you want from here. And then, tap on Done. Get a preview of the poster and tap on Continue. Tap on Continue again. After that, tap on Done. Following these steps, you can easily change call screen on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.